Hi, I'm from Philippines and I work here in Hong Kong for 6 years as a household worker. I just want to share my experience here in Hong Kong, how God changed my life to know Him well, because as I work here in Hong Kong, I forget about God. Yes, I did pray every day, but I don't have any personal relationship with God. I just rely on my own strength, and that God helped me to realize and help me open my eyes to reality that I can do nothing without Him. One day I got sick and I got depressed. I feel that I gonna die. And then I cried so much. Then I realized that I have nothing. I can do nothing without God. And got so depressed because despite of all of my hard work here, my business in Philippines doesn't work, and my mother-in-law got sick, and everything was fully, nothing is growing, all fall down. My sickness, my relationship with my family, everything is down. And then that day on, I realized that I can do without God.